Welcome back, everybody. So it's pizza time today, and I'm trying something new. Went to the grocery store, and they had frozen pizza dough that they have out in the deli refrigerator. We are going to make us a delicious pizza using store-bought dough. I got these whole wheat pizza doughs, and they're huge. I've had them out on the counter here for about 3 or 4 hours. This is a mixture of semolina and 00 flour. We use that 50-50 mixture of semolina and 00 flour because it works out perfectly to allow you to stretch the dough and so it doesn't stick to your pizza peel or your cutting board. I'm still not an expert at stretching dough. I have been making a lot of Neapolitan pizzas lately. Been getting a little bit better at that by following other people's recipes. But I figured we'd give this a try here tonight. A delicious, nutritious, whole wheat pizza crust. And I bought this thing 3 or 4 months ago, a pizza docker. I've only remembered to use it one time in a video. They claim that it helps to cut down on air bubbles, air pockets in your pizza. I don't know. Pulled this out of the pantry. We love the Victoria pasta sauces. This is an Alfredo arugula pesto sauce. This should work out perfectly. Gonna spread that thinly over the pizza. I'm gonna go down with slices of fresh mozzarella. And I'm going to hit that up with just a little bit of cheddar cheese, kind of a extra decoration, if you will, a little extra cheddar. I have some chicken breast that I griddled last night. This is seasoned up with some garlic powder and some Mrs. Dash. So down with a little bit of chicken, followed by spinach. A little bit of spinach, a little bit of Mrs. Dash tomato, basil, garlic. And of course, I always have to have garlic. This is granulated garlic, so just straight up garlic with no salt. Here goes nothing. All right, that's nice. I have my brand new Blackstone Pizza Oven Walmart edition heated up just over 500 degrees. Check it out, they have a really cool peel as well, exclusive to Walmart. Here we go. When I bought this dough, it said cook at 500 degrees. I don't think they used the 00 flour, so we are right at about 500 degrees. And because I'm not using the type 00 flour, and this isn't a Neapolitan dough, this will take longer. I expect this to take at least 5 minutes to cook to perfection. So we are safe. See, my concern was with this being store-bought dough that we'd burn it. So I'm gonna go ahead and crank the temperature up all the way. We wanna get some good color on that crust. I realized right away my spinach is burning, so I'm gonna go ahead, reach in there, pull it out, and I'm gonna put a little extra on top of that spinach to hopefully prevent it from burning. You're gonna forget that you saw that. It's been about 5 minutes. Let's get it out. Take a look at that. It looks almost round. Let's cut it up. Let's check out the bottom of that whole wheat crust. You can see the fresh mozzarella dripping. I did my best to dry it out with a paper towel before I came outside. This thing is really hot. Looks pretty darn good though. Let's give it a try. So I guess we're calling this a chicken Alfredo pizza. I was using the Alfredo arugula, but you could use any kind of Alfredo sauce, and of course spinach. You might want to wait till the end and throw it on there so you don't burn your spinach like I did. And I appreciate you watching, everybody. Please leave me a thumbs up. And if you're interested in the Blackstone Pizza Oven Walmart edition, you can pick that up at your local Walmart. They're starting to get stocked at the end of May, beginning of June, $597, and there's a whole bunch of cool new Walmart exclusive Blackstone Pizza Oven accessories. So until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the chicken Alfredo pizza.